Hi everyone, very good morning and welcome to one more Tech Talk show. And in this show, the participants are Mr. Prem Jain from Trips International School and Aarav from Future Kids School. They are undergoing coding classes since 1 month and let's try to understand, let's try to know what they have learned in coding. Aarav, introduce yourself.
Hi sir, my
Yeah,
name
very
is
good
Aarav
morning.
Jain. I am studying in class 10 in the Future Kids School.
Future Kids, okay. And what's your future plans?
Sir, I want to make something out of my coding career.
Okay. Means you want to be in coding field.
Yes sir.
You want to build our career in coding.
Yes sir.
Okay. So before joining into these coding classes, do you have any idea about coding?
Yes sir. In our school actually they teach Java.
They taught Java in schools.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now you are learning C programming.
Yes sir.
So are you able to write programs by your own as of now?
Yes sir.
You can write
Yes
programs
sir.
by your own.
Yes sir.
How many programs you have done as of now?
Like 20 to 25 sir.
20 to 25 programs you have done.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now, Prem, introduce yourself and tell me something more about you and what's your future plans.
Hello everyone, I am Prem of class 9 studying in Trips International School. By using this coding, I want to develop some apps and some websites.
Like, what's your future plans? What you want to become in future?
I want to become an entrepreneur.
Okay. Entrepreneur in which area? Like which segment?
Web development.
Like you want to become entrepreneur in web development side.
Yes.
So like before joining into this C coding classes, do you have any idea about coding?
I knew about Scratch.
Scratch programming.
Yes.
For what purpose we use this Scratch programming? Can you tell me?
To develop like small games.
Games. Okay.
Small games.
Have you developed games using Scratch?
I developed a game like a small game in which a character is there and should reach to a goal.
Fine. Guys, I'll test you in C programming like what we have learned as of now. Are you ready for that, guys?
Yes sir.
Fine. Aarav, the first question to you. Tell me how many data types are there in C language?
4 sir.
What are those?
Integer, char, long and float.
Integer, character, long and float. There is a small correction, Aarav. Integer is correct. Very good. So int, char, float, double. These are the 4 basic data types. Prem, next question to you. Can you tell me like how many bytes these data types are going to occupy in the memory?
Integer occupies 4 bytes.
Okay.
Character occupies 1 byte.
Okay.
Float occupies 8 bytes.
Okay. Double?
Double occupies 8 bytes.
There is a small correction, Prem. Float occupies 4 bytes and double occupies 8 bytes.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, Aarav, can you ask a question to Prem so that let's see Prem is going to answer that question or not.
What is the full form of STDIO?
Standard input and output.
Very good. Now, Prem, can you ask a question to Aarav?
What is STDIO?
No, the same question he asked, na. Look, he asked full form and you are asking what is actually STDIO.
Yes, sir.
Aarav, can you answer that?
Yes sir.
Yeah, tell me.
It is a package which contains many functions for standard input and output.
Very good. Can we say like stdio is nothing but an header file. stdio.is is a header file. It's a package. It's one and the same only, no problem. Which contains a lot of functions which are used for performing input-output operations in C language, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Guys, who developed C language?
Dennis Ritchie.
Dennis Ritchie. Very good, Prem. In which year the C language is developed?
1974.
No, a little bit correction is required. Aarav, can you tell me?
No, sir, no idea.
No idea. 1972. It is developed in the year 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Okay. Fine. This is little bit about theoretical knowledge. Are you ready to write programs by your own?
Yes, sir.
Like who will write first? Who is ready?
I'll go first.
You'll go first. Like Prem, I'll give permission to share the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I have given permission to share the screen. You can share your screen and you can write one program of your own.
Yes.
Guys, those who are watching this video and who wants to learn coding, then I'll give a link below this video. You can click on that link and join in my VIP group so that I'll be intimating you details about my next batch. Okay. So Prem, we can start, and first tell me like what program you are going to write.
I'm going to write a program to make a calculator using switch case.
Okay, you want to develop a calculator program using switch case. Very good.
Yes.
Let's start. Aarav, while Prem writing the program, you can observe if he is doing any mistakes. So, like this is the way how you can also into your subject. And if you found that if there is any mistake, you can just correct him directly.
Yes, sir.
Aarav, there is a question to you, like why we need to work with float type?
Sir, because there may be any decimal places in the answer.
Okay.
While dividing or
Okay, while performing division, the result may have decimal places. So to store
Yes, sir.
decimal places, you are taking float as the data type. Prem, there is a small correction. Can I tell you, or you can identify? Very good, very good. And it's better you give /n for this underline so that it will get displayed in the new line. Otherwise, it will be in the side by side. Again, there is a small correction. Very good, very good. Yeah, go ahead. Prem, how many operations you are performing?
6, sir.
6 operations. Okay, very good. Instead of typing all these statements, do we have any shortcut?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Copy paste.
Okay. Do you know how to perform that copy paste?
Yes, sir.
Because it will save a lot of time, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The next operations, do it by using copy paste so that we'll see like how your time is getting saved. Aarav, is it clear up to now or is there any mistake?
no, sir, clear.
Clear? Very good. Prem, what are the 2 other operations you are performing? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and next?
Percentage and average of 2 numbers.
Percentage and average of 2 numbers. Very good. I think I didn't explain this. Like I have explained only 4 operations, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I modified it.
Okay, very good. Now, what is the use of this statement? What you are writing, Prem?
So, like user will input the number using this printf statement.
Okay. printf will give you a prompt, whereas after printf, whenever you write scanf, that function is going to read the data, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is for reading input, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is the next statement you're writing?
So, like for operator, sir, for reading the operator.
Reading the operator or reading the option from the user, like what kind of option he wants to perform.
Yes, sir, like first operator or second operator.
Okay, okay, fine. So what the user needs to type, what they need to
I
type?
gave the numbers for like 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, like that.
Okay.
So if he types 1, then the operation is addition.
Okay, okay, okay. So based upon that input, the specific operation will be performed, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Good. Aarav, can you tell me what is the use of switch case actually? What, like how it works?
Sir, like as he's having many options, like for 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction. So
Right.
we can, so if suppose the user inputs 1 for addition, then he can pick what the user has inputted and he can perform the operation accordingly.
Like
by using switch case.
Means if you want to execute a statement from the given multiple choices,
Yes,
then
sir. So
we can work with switch case, isn't it?
yes, sir. Like he's having many options. Like case 1, it will perform addition if the user types 1.
Yeah. There is one more question to you, Aarav. Is there any alternative for the switch case? If I say I don't use switch case, and still can you write this program?
If else statements, sir.
Very good, very good. So whatever you are performing by using switch case, that can be performed by using
If else.
also. But the problem is program will be little bit lengthy,
Yes, sir.
code will be clumsy, and it will be difficult to manage that code, like as the number of operations are increasing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Prem, like can you tell me what is this case for, and why you have written this? What is the use of that?
Like if you don't, it is used for typecasting, sir.
Typecasting. But there is a small correction. Can you guess? There is a small problem here in. Like see whether the equal to is in the right place or not. Don't worry, I'll correct that. See, it is actually, you remove float first, I'll tell you so that you'll understand clearly. You remove that float. Okay. Now this is the complete final operation. C equals to A divided by B. Now you use the typecasting, like where you want to use typecasting. No, you have to typecast either A or B. So you have to use, very good, very good. You have to use the typecasting operation before the variable name. Like earlier the mistake is you have written before the equal to. Fine, this is correct now. What we are performing?
Percentage, sir.
Like, okay. Prem, in case 6, do you think that you will get correct result? Exactly. Very good, very good. Aarav, can you tell me why he has given those brackets after asking me?
Sir, cause if he didn't keep brackets, then it will divide first by 2, then it will add.
Super, super, very good. Why? Because there is something like priority of operators. Division operator will have more priority than when you compare with addition, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Prem, suppose if the user inputs 7 or 8 or 10 or 20, then what message will be displayed for him? Like you don't have, like you have only 1 to 6. If the user inputs like 7, 8, 9, 10, is there anything to handle that? Very good, very good. But still, I'm so happy that you have written very lengthy program by your own, and like some little bit correction I have done, means I have given some hint, that's it. But still, you are going in a right way, and you can really pursue your career in coding, Prem. From this, it looks that you are really passionate towards coding. Invalid operator selected. Very good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Result is percentage 2f. That's fine, but there is something is missing in the line number 36. Like where you are displaying the result. Very good. Very good. So don't get panic. Be cool and write the code. So once execute it, let's see whether it works or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
Can you see the like it's coming and going immediately?
no, sir, it's working.
It's working?
Yes.
Then I think there is a problem at your end while sharing the screen. You have shared only code blocks ID. You have not shared the screen actually. So we are unable to see the result screen. I can see only the code blocks ID. So what you can do is you can stop sharing the screen first. You stop sharing the screen. You work with your program, then stop sharing the screen. After that, you share once again. While sharing, it will ask you like you want to share code blocks. Yes, now I can see. Very good. Fine. So you have entered a number 56, then 23, then very good. Prem, can you run this program once again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, run it. Very good. Now I can see very clearly. Very good. 14 is the result. That's the difference. Fine. Once one more run this program, and this time you enter any number other than 1 to 6. That's something. But option you enter 8, for example. Let's see what happens. Very good. Very good. Invalid operator and invalid operator selected. The result is 0. It will be good, I think, if you give /n for the result is 0 message also.
Yes.
So that that will be displayed on the new line. But very good, Prem. Congratulations. You have done the program like 37 lines of code by your own, and I really appreciate for this. Thank you so much. And Aarav, now it's your turn. Prem, you can stop sharing the screen. Yeah. Aarav, like remember while sharing the screen, you choose screen. Don't choose the code blocks ID. So that you won't get any problem while executing the program. Yes, Aarav, what code you are going to write now?
Sir, I'm writing a program to accept the ID and password from a user and check if he has entered the correct one.
Okay. ID and password from the user.
Yes,
Fine,
sir.
fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Prem, now it's your turn. It's your turn. While doing program, if he is making any mistake, you just try to correct him.
Yes, sir.
Aarav, can we increase the screen size, like font size? Here in settings, you go to settings. Settings. environment, not environment, it's editor actually, editor. Go to editor, in settings only, in settings menu, editor, okay, and you'll find somewhere like font, choose. You click on choose button on the top side, choose. This is sample text. On the right hand side, you can see one button called choose. Yes, yes, choose that, and then it will ask you the font size. You can increase the size and you can make it bold if you want to. Font style on the right there, and see, okay, and you can say okay. Good, is it clear? See, so the font size is increased.
Yes, sir.
For audience it will be like visible clearly.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead, go ahead. Prem, can you tell me why he is initializing the variables to 0? Is it mandatory?
Yes, so like if we don't initialize, we'll get some garbage value and we won't expect the result which we get.
Means we may get unexpected result if you don't initialize it. Or what is this 1432?
Sir, like this is the ID which he should enter. If he enters the wrong ID, it won't match for this.
Means you are considering 1432 as the ID of the
Yes, sir.
employee. Okay, user.
Yes.
Fine. Means if the ID of the employee is correct, that's nothing but matching to 1432, then what you are doing?
I will be asking for passwords.
Okay, fine. Guys, those who are watching this video, if you feel that you also want to write code like this, then join in my VIP broadcast list. I'll be giving link below this video, and you can just request me to add you in that group. And once you are added in that group, I'll be sharing details about my new batch. I'll be starting new batch on C programming language every month. So if you are interested, you can join for a demo session first. And once you are comfortable with the demo, then you can enroll for the course. So what is this 1, 2, 3, 4?
Passwords, sir.
It's a password. Okay.
Yes.
Login successful. Very good. Very good. This default statement is for what purpose?
If wrong passwords.
If password is wrong. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, guys, this is how actually the softwares in the industry are built. Is it clear? This is the foundation level for you, so that you'll understand like how ID passwords are entered and how you are able to access the login. Very good. So guys, I have a suggestion for you. Why don't you develop a website or a blog by your own and you can start writing something on that? Means after completion of this C language, you just plan for that so that you can start your own blog, you can start your own website, and from this school is its age itself, you can start publishing some articles on the subject on which you have interest. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Can I run it?
Yeah, you run it.
Sir, 1 second.
Aarav, once check is that /n is right or wrong? Very good. Aarav, suppose, imagine if the user enters wrong ID,
Yes,
then
sir.
you'll get wrong ID message. But
Yes, sir.
for that outer switch case, means outer switch, and you have written one case. See, a switch ID is nothing but the outer switch case, and switch passcode is nothing but inner switch case, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So there is a break statement for inner
Yes,
switch
sir.
case.
Inner case, yes, sir.
Okay, you have missed something. What is that? Very good. For outer case, you have missed the break. Super,
Yes.
super. Really, I appreciate you for that. Means understanding immediately that difference. Very good, very good. Extraordinary, Aarav, extraordinary. Yeah, you can run this code and let's see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's asking for ID. It's asking for passcode. Login successful. Super. This time you run it, you give correct ID and wrong password, and let's check whether it is working properly or not. Passcode you give wrong. You have entered wrong passcode. Super. Great. This time again you run, and this time you give ID itself as wrong, and let's see what message you are getting. You have entered. Super, super, Aarav. Congratulations. You have done really a good job.
Yes, sir.
So guys, what is your area of interest actually? Which topic you are so connected, so passionate? Prem, is there any particular topic which you would like to share with others? Your area of interest?
Like I like logical thinking, so like
You like logical thinking.
Yes, sir.
So my suggestion is, why don't you start a blog on logical thinking where you write some articles weekly, at least one article. Because at this age, if you can start now, then definitely you can see the progress. Or what is your area of interest? Like which subject you like most?
Like in technology and computers.
Technology and computers. So what you do, like you like technology and computers, that's I appreciate it. But what do you do for that? Like do you read any articles? Do you watch any TV channels to get updated regarding technology?
Yes, sir. In articles I read.
You read articles.
Yes.
Then my suggestion for you is, do you know what is blog writing, blogging?
Yes, sir. Creating our own.
Yeah, means my suggestion for you is, like at this age, really, if you start writing blog articles, at least weekly one article you just try to write it, and if you are getting visitors by looking at your content, then you can make it you can go to the next level. You can become a professional blogger. It means apart from your main career, like you can work on this particular line also. So let's think on this, and after completion of C language, if you guys are really interested, then I'll have a separate session on website building and like how you can build your blogs by your own. We can plan for that. So guys, tell me finally, like how you are enjoying, how you feel when you have written a code by your own without anyone help.
Sir, I feel confident that I have created something of my own.
Very good, very good, very good. and this will really motivate you to learn something more, and it will help you to build something by your own actually. Prem, like how you feel actually when you write code by your own?
I feel very happy that like I'm different from others. I'm different from my classmates. That I'm doing something new.
Something different. Very good, very good. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for writing these lengthy programs by your own, like 20 to 30 lines of code. And I wish you all the best. Be successful in your career, and anything related to the coding, I'll be there to help you. Okay, guys. So, do you want to say anything to your friends or viewers? Any suggestion? Like anything you want to share from your heart to your friends? Yes, Aarav, do you want to say anything?
Sir, like coding is good for even like academics and anything for logical thinking as well, to improve your logical thinking.
Okay.
So I would recommend everyone to learn coding at least for
Okay.
once.
Okay. Prem, do you have anything to say?
If you are good at thinking ability or if you want to improve it, like you can join coding.
Very good.
It will really improve.
Fine. So, guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care and wish you all the best.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you so much.